How to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, now go to the messenger right here, click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. When you click on delete, all these app data is gonna be deleted as you can see. Go back and now click on force stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Now, or what you want to do is go back to the settings on your phone and go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, and after 5 seconds exactly just disable it. Now, as you can see, or what you want to do next is restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.